Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick little fun video. We are going to talk about the 7 products that have been getting me through this winter. I don't know about you guys where you live, but it has been very cold, very dry. We're starting to see a little sign of hopes for spring, but knowing where I live, it'll probably bounce back to the cold again. So I want to talk through, being a dry girl, dry skin, products that have really been helping me this winter prevent extra dryness, flaking, things that I normally deal with, just because it has been, I would say, an exceptionally cold winter this year. So go ahead and keep watching if you want to see what I've been loving. Now we are going to start with face products, and might I add, this is truly a skincare video. All these products are going to be lotions, potions, those things. It's no makeup. I can do another video on makeup products that I use when I have dry skin. If that's something you want to see, just let me know down below and I can do that. Starting off strong, let's talk about moisturizer. So I have been using and loving the Tatcha moisturizer. This is the Dewy skin cream. They do have the one that's in like the greenish blue container for those that are a little bit more oily. It's a lighter consistency. This product is definitely thicker, so you can see there, more hydrating than what the other product is going to be. But what I also love about this is it goes well under makeup, so I never have issues with any of the makeup that I have used when I use this product. So everything still blends well, my skin feels very nourished. And this has just been a great product. I may switch to something lighter in the summer, but as far as the winter goes, this has been a true lifesaver. In that same vein, I use different products at night than I do in the morning. So morning time, I'm using the Tatcha moisturizer and a more hydrating face wash, something that doesn't strip the skin so much. At night, I go a little bit heavier, so one thing that I've been loving is the Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair Mask. And this is very, very hydrating. I've used this pretty much when I've gotten very dry. I will put this on those particular areas. I wake up and my skin is supple and the dry patches have gone away. This one is pretty expensive, so I truly only use it in the winter time when I'm really dry. It smells very natural. I have yet to find something that I like more than this, but again, it's an overnight repair mask. Really great at treating those dry patches, and I do like to layer it. So on very, very dry nights, I will use this, or I've talked about in previous videos, I have another hydrating, it's called the Comfort Cream. I'm just out of that. That's what I would use on a daily basis. This is what I would use when I'm very dry. But either way, I like to go in and use the Drunk Elephant, the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. I got this forever ago when I was maybe back in high school, like when this was new. I started using this product, kind of fell off the Drunk Elephant bandwagon. I will say it was like lots of little kids were using it, so I was like, I don't know if the skincare aspects are still there or not, but they obviously are. But I had some left over in a more recent little jar, and I started using that in combination with whatever nighttime cream. So I will get out of the shower, put on the thinnest layer to the thickest layer, and then basically top with the cream, and then seal everything in with the facial oil. This is super hydrating. It lasts a really long time. Like, it's actually surprising how much product you get, and you really don't need a lot of it for it to impact your skin positively. So I had a really bad dry flake here. That's really the only dry area I got this winter, which is a miracle for me, and I combo used these and it went away. So been loving this. It also pairs with other products too. Only using this at night and in the winter. If I'm doing more of like a luxury skincare night where I'm gonna go in, spend some time, maybe like once a week, maybe every 10 days, I should do it more often, but I like to exfoliate. And especially in the winter, it does help. I just have to be careful when my skin's not too dry and too sensitive. But it does help the other products really get into your skin. So what I love to exfoliate, and I've been using this for years on end, I have not found something I like more, is the Peter Thomas Roth, the FIRMx peeling gel. This is amazing. This is actually empty, so I bought a new one. Again, if you watch my TikTok, I don't know if people know that I have that, but I started a TikTok too. I talk about some of the more recent purchases that I've gotten, do little hauls, things like that. It's more casual space on TikTok, kind of similar to the YouTube shorts, but more talking. So anyway, I've been using this for years. I started using it probably my senior year of high school. I actually got my mom on it first, and then I started using it. I just loved it. So it does go on it's kind of different. So it's like a gel, which it says, but when you start rubbing it on your face, you put it on your skin while your skin is dry, you almost see like the skin peel off your face, like the dry skin, and it works great. I bring it down and use it on my neck as well, and you get such good results with this. I swear by this. This is one of the best products I've ever used. You can use it on your hands, get the dry skin off your hands. Use this everywhere. I love this. So those are the 4 really big products when it comes to my skincare in the winter. There are some things that I just keep on the regular that I didn't talk about. I really wanted to call attention to those special products. And that's the same when it comes to wintertime body care as well for me. So I need more hydration when it comes to the winter. I don't want my, skin being flaky and dry looking and cracked. So I use a combo of 3 different products, and one's actually new to me that I started using for the past couple of weeks and I've been really enjoying. So the first product that I like to use, and this is the new product to me, is the Sol de Janeiro, the Brazilian Play Body Wash. First of all, the smell actually lasts, which I find, yes, when you use a body wash, you can smell it right when you get out of the shower, but this literally will last until I shower at night and I wake up in the morning and I can still smell it. So love the smell of it, very fruity, very tropical. But what I like even more is how nourishing this product is. Instead of feeling like dry and stripped, I feel more nourished when I come out of the shower. My legs are smoother, my skin's like more supple and ready to like take on more moisture from my oils and lotions that I'm going to put on. So this has been a really great change in my routine, going from a more gel-like stripping body wash to something more creamy and hydrating. And again, the smell is amazing and it really lasts. I know this is like a cult classic. It's blown up. People love this stuff, but I've really never given it a true go until now, and it's worth all the attention it gets. So following that up, it's obviously very important once you are done showering to put some moisture back into your skin. And I do this all over my body because I am so dry, and I like to use a combo of products. So I was using the Sol de Janeiro body oil and just like a Cetaphil body lotion, but I've recently switched that up. And one thing I've been using it for the past few weeks, is the After Shower Nourishing Body Oil, safe for sensitive skin, by First Aid Beauty. So the story behind this product, I honestly didn't think I was going to like it because I love the Sol de Janeiro body oil, but I was like, it's pretty expensive, and I was flying through it because I use a lot of it. Like, I want to make sure I get it everywhere and lock everything in that I possibly can. So I was looking on Ulta and I was like, what can I get that I know is like a decent brand? And then I kind of looked at price per ounce, and that's how I landed on First Aid Beauty. So I honestly did not have high hopes for this, but it's been amazing. It's super hydrating. It is more, I'd say it's a little bit more of a dry oil if you compare it to the Sol de Janeiro. The smell is very different. This is more of a, like a citrusy smell, whereas the Sol de Janeiro is going to smell just like the body wash. This is citrus and it smells amazing. So a little different for wintertime. This scent is definitely a summer scent, but I've really been loving this and I didn't expect to love it. So you can see my initial reaction the first time I used this on my TikTok, because I did not think this was going to be the product for me, and now I absolutely love it. And I do love a citrus scent, so I am a little bit biased, but this is great. More value, you know, for your money, which is always nice. So try and check this out and let me know what you think. So final product number 7, used in conjunction with the first aid oil, is going to be a body butter. And I love the Kopari body butter. This is the Ultra Restore body butter with hyaluronic acid. The scent, prickly pear and coconut oil. These scents don't like go so much together, but honestly it doesn't bother me. But the combination of the two, it's like very thick and creamy, is amazing. So I will put my oil on and then follow it up with this moisturizer, since it is thicker than the oil, just to try to lock the oil into my skin. Another option that I like to do is actually mix the two together. So kind of create a little combination, rub everything together, and then spread that all over my body, and that works great too. So both products are really fabulous. I've been loving them to keep my skin dry this winter season. Definitely going to continue to use them into the summer. The scents are perfect for the summer. But yeah, really these 3 body products when it comes to the taking care of my skin have been fantastic. And then the 4 face products I mentioned, incredible. Really could not get more behind the Marula oil and the Peter Thomas Roth, the exfoliating gel. Definitely top 2 right here. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys found, you know, maybe a product that you want to try. Feel free to leave a comment down below of products that you have been loving this winter and have helped you get through the drier seasons. I'd love to try some new stuff out. That's one of my favorite things to do. And then this makeup look is actually going to be following this video, so you'll get to see that here shortly. I tried out some new products, both new to the market and then new to me. So thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day. Bye.